In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn off comments on videos or movies you watch on Viki by Rakuten. Simple and easy. So let's say you can see these are all comments on a video, and when you're watching them, they pop up. Let me show you guys how you can turn that off. So you hop on your home page like this, and what you do next is you tap on your me at the bottom right corner of your screen. So we tap on the me here. Good. And then on the me, we just tap on the setting button at the top right corner of our screen too as well. Good. On this section, we scroll to the top. You scroll to the top and you can see subtitle. So you can see timed comment here. So we just tap on that here. I have it turned on. That's why you can turn it off like that. And you're not going to see any messages or comments from people when you're watching videos or movies on the Viki app. If you want it on, you just come back again and you turn it on. Simple and easy. If you turn it on, that's when you're also going to get the chance to send a message there too as well. So that's it. To turn it on, you just tap on it once again and then you turn it on. So that's it. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.